Hi, this is Debbie Harry of Blondie here on Star Special. For the next 2 hours, we're going to be playing some of your and our favorite music, rock and roll and others. And it's all coming to you on Radio 1. I'm not alone here, as you may well know. We have Chris Stein.
Hi, kids.
And Nigel Harrison.
Hi, Debbie.
Both from the Blondie group.
Yes, we'd like to go on to our first number, which is by a really great group from Athens, Georgia, called the B52s.
We were at a party. Hey, there, love fell in the deep. Someone reached in and grabbed it. It was a rock lobster.
That was Rock Lobster by the B52s from Athens, Georgia.